Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PayPal crypto account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your PayPal crypto account, first, ensure you have a PayPal account. If you don't have an account, visit the PayPal website to create one. Log into your existing PayPal account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the crypto section on the dashboard. You may find this under the More drop-down menu if it's not immediately visible. If prompted, review the terms and conditions for using cryptocurrency. Read through the information carefully before accepting. Next, verify your identity if required. This process may involve providing personal information or uploading official documents. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to access the crypto features. You should now see options to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrency. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you choose to buy cryptocurrency, select the specific type you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy. Before finalizing the transaction, review the summary of your order. Once you're satisfied, confirm the purchase. You should now see your cryptocurrency reflected in your account wallet. To manage your crypto assets, return to the crypto section in your dashboard. Here, you can explore additional features such as selling or transferring your crypto. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. With these steps completed, you're now ready to engage with cryptocurrency on PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.